Mum just asked me if she looked rough as Badger's armpit.
Thanks.
You don't.
I feel it.
You don't. Right, what do you want to do first? We've got 3 videos we're going to film today.
I don't mind, darling, whichever one will take the longest first, I think.
I don't really know what's going to take the longest. That's better, isn't it? You need to come in a bit more.
Do I?
Yeah. There you go, that's better.
There we are, I'm here
right,
now.
So what do you want to do? Do you want to
do the Birchbox?
The Birchbox first. So Birchbox has come today and it's square.
Yeah, it threw me out, that did, because how's it going to fit with all my rectangular ones?
Mum doesn't ever see spoilers for Birchbox, so she has no idea what is in here.
So do you know?
Yeah.
What's the point then, if you know?
I don't know what's in it, but I know what the box is.
So you knew it was square?
No, I only knew today because you sent me a picture and then I asked Michelle and Claire and they said yes, it's square.
So did you not believe the picture?
Yeah, but...
Oh, it's a tin! Oh, it's not even a box!
Look at that!
Wow, it's a lovely little tin.
The Birchbox is what, $12.95 a month including postage? Mum gets it every month and we just unbox it together, so isn't that pretty?
It's a lovely little tin.
Let me get your little card out.
I like the tin.
Right,
okay. A novel idea.
Okay, so there's some discount codes. I'll put them down below. So you grab something first.
Right, I have got here. Is it an Amica?
Amica, yeah. It says, "Hello Birchboxes. May is our 5th birthday here in the UK. To celebrate, we're channeling that
bombshell blowout spray.
Most British of occasion to the tea party, from the special keepsake biscuit tin to the launch of the Birchbox Beauty Awards. June is all about thanking you, our wonderful Birchboxers. Now let's get this party started."
Oh dear.
Tea.
Right.
What was oh dear?
Party.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, dear.
So what have you got?
I don't know. It's a spray.
This multitasking spritz works on both damp and dry hair to protect, nourish, smooth and volumise.
That means anything to anybody?
Apparently they're very bitter. I've watched Hugh eat them. Plus
I
it
don't
provides
think you eat these because they spray
heat
them.
protection, texture and to lift damp hair. Ugh. Ugh.
I suppose you could always use it as perfume.
Yeah. It doesn't smell bad, it just doesn't... I didn't want it in my nose.
I don't know what you do with it actually.
You spray it in your hair.
Spray it in your hair and just fluff it up.
Volumising, smoothing spray.
Okay.
So you'll use that, that's nice.
These are tea bags, I think.
Wittard of Chelsea tea bags. 3 delicious blends.
3 individually wrapped
Earl
tea
Grey,
bags. Yeah.
mango and bergamot, and lemon and ginger.
Oh well, I'll drink those.
So that's nice. They look really pretty as well. If Mum wants to show you properly. See? They look really pretty. Oh, that's the same thing as the tin as well.
That's
a similar kind of doodad.
Yeah.
Pattern, yeah.
This is a Polar, because there's 2 A's, 30 velvety sunblock screen stuff.
The best kind of sunscreen is the one that doesn't leave behind a white residue. Fortunately, this one sinks in quickly to protect your skin from UV rays. Just be sure to top it up throughout the day. You won't use this, will you?
Probably not.
Not in factor 30?
No.
No.
What does that mean?
I'm stealing this.
Are you?
You won't use it.
No, I know.
She won't. She puts
look,
like cooking oil on her face, don't you?
I don't. I've never done that. Ever.
What factor do you wear?
Tessa used to.
What factor do you wear?
I use factor 15, factor 10.
Yeah, see, I use the big stuff.
Ooh, this is in a little pot thing.
That's an Ella Eden compact eyeshadow in Faith or Julia. Which one have you got? Have a look on the bottom. Faith.
Dark chocolatey brown.
Mineral eyeshadows don't have to be time consuming. This pressed version combines the intense colour payoff with long lasting wear. Apply with a wet brush if you want to make a bolder statement.
Do I look like I want to make a bold statement?
You might do.
Oh, look, I've unwrapped it for you.
Do you want to swatch it?
No, you may. Very dark, isn't it? Oh, it's nice chocolatey colour.
Yeah, it's pretty.
And it's got like a sheen in it. If you look, like a golden
metallic-y.
sheen.
Pretty.
That is nice.
Look at the reflections on that. Look.
Lovely.
Yeah. See, that's something nice. You might use that.
This is a pearl primer, whatever that is.
It's the Porefessional by Benefit.
Is that good?
Yeah, Benefit are really good. The fresh formula features the same oil-free texture as. Yeah, there we go.
You're trying to block me out.
I'm trying. Well, it focuses on our faces. There you go. Yeah.
Now I'm no longer in it.
I'm not in it either. The fresh formula features the same oil-free texture as the original Porefessional with a dose of pink pigment for brightness. Just smooth all over your face and layer up to add radiance. Intrigued by that.
You gonna try it out on me? Or you?
I just want to put it on a little bit on my hand just to see what it's like. Because we're doing something else in a minute to Mum's face.
Panic will set in. What does that do? I can't see anything.
No, it's because it's a primer. It's dimethicone. I don't know if you'll...
Oh, that sounds dangerous.
No, look, feel it between your fingers, look.
Don't use it all up in there.
Rub a tiny, tiny piece. Silicone.
Oh, it's sort of like very smooth and shiny.
And what is your last product?
It's in a little pot.
Number 4. This is... It's French.
Jour d'automne.
What does that mean?
Like autumn day smoothing balm.
Okay, whatever your hair type, this hard walking formula minimises frizz, restores softness and protects against humidity and heat damage. Work a small amount through damp hair than style as normal. I think that's a bit crap because that is the thing.
2 hair products. 2
hair products that are quite similar. This is for smoothing and restore softness, and then this is to nourish and smooth. So I think that's a bit crap.
I like the tin best.
Yeah, I think that is the general consensus with this month's Birchbox, is everybody likes the tin best.
Do you want this little thing?
Yeah, I'll try it.
Okay, you can have that.
Thanks. You don't forget your eyeshadow.
Oh, no. Right, okay.
It is very pretty. Look.
And you need these as well, don't you?
Yeah, I'll just put. You can have one and I'll have one. It's discount.
Right, okay, done.
Next month you're getting the Manicadar stuff, and Manicadar's lovely, but they're so tiny. They say these are full size, and they're literally like teeny weeny.
That's probably the actual size, is it?
Yeah, probably. They are so small. Oh, look at that.
That's evil. Is it coming off? Is it indelible?
No, it does come off, but it don't.
Sorry.
We just saw you lick my desk.
No, I didn't lick
we
the
just
desk.
saw you
I
lick my desk.
finger. Have we got anything to spray on this?
No, Mum, that's juice.
Oh, sorry.
So yeah, that was Mum's Birchbox.
Look, it's stained. What's it going to do to your face?
I don't know. Okay, I'm now licking the desk. It's coming off, it's fine.
Nail varnish remover.
No, it's fine, it's fine. We're fine. It's just my desk is a bit magical. Yeah, that was Mum's Birchbox. What did you think? You like the tin?
I like the tin. I think the tin is beautiful.
I think the tin's lovely. I think the contents... I'm going to use the sun cream, but I do think it's a bit crap that they've sent 2 hair products that are very similar. So...
Particularly when you haven't got a lot of hair like me.
Yeah. And the eyeshadow was $12.99 and nothing else is full size. So you've got 1 full size eyeshadow.
That was $12.99.
That eyeshadow.
People must want their heads feeling if they pay that so much for an eyeshadow. I'm sorry.
Out of the words of Mum's.
Things, those, what you...
A palette.
Palettes you buy, and they were how much from that Revolution?
£10.
And you get all those colours for £10. Why would you spend that on one colour?
Because why Makeup Revolution is so good. That's why.
Well, there you go then.
So yeah, if Makeup Revolution want an advocate for them, Mum will be a very good promoter and telling everybody to buy it. So anyway, that was the Birchbox. We're going to go because we've got lots of other videos to film.
And I've got no idea what is in store.
She doesn't. So if you like these kind of videos,
give Lucy's
she hasn't done one for ages.
Give Lucy's channel a big thumbs up and subscribe immediately.
Immediately is my favourite thing. I might change that so every time I say it I might say subscribe immediately.
It's the law.
It is the law. Mum says so. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.